So let's say this is a design that we want to send out as a notification to our users. I'm using Adobe XD for design. So while the design looks great, but would it not be very nice if we could personalize it to the person getting it? Say, if instead of saying hey, if we can put the person's name here, or even at this place, or changing the CTA depending on the person who's getting it. So let's do that. I'll just select the artboard. I'll export it as SVG file. Now we'll go to Wizard. Under the create section, you can see make a new template button. Click on it. Now choose the same size of the design as your artboard. Now you have an empty canvas. We are going to import the design that we just exported from XD. We'll drag and drop the file. Right, so we may need to do small adjustments. Multi-line text usually gets divided into multiple lines, but we can just delete these additional lines and instead just type it out here. Also, we may need to increase the width of some text boxes. Okay, so now we'll click on the text that we want to personalize, in this case hey, and we can select from one of the default options given, or you can give it a custom name. We'll call it name. You can call it anything, but we are going to call it name. We can also specify up to how many maximum lines this text can overflow to if the text is very long. In this case, 1 is fine. We'll do the same with this text. For this text, we'll give it in a new name, CTA, and that's it. We'll finish. Now we can go to create section. Under my templates, here is a design. I'll click on use this template and then click on get code. Under get code, choose the second tab and enable this link. Now copy this to your clipboard and let's open it in the browser. Right, so this is the design. Now very interestingly, what you see here is that we already have the header names that we had provided, name and CTA. Now let me just try and change this hey to something, say Rahul. And what do we see? We have an image with the name Rahul at both the places. Right, so we are going to use this in CleverTap. We'll just copy it. Now we move to CleverTap. While we are in CleverTap, we'll start our campaign like we usually do. We'll choose push mobile one time. You can choose any of the options that you want. Now this is a screen where we are going to compose our message. This is how you would usually do anyway. When you scroll down, you can enable advanced and enable rich media. Now this is the place where we can give an image which would come up with notifications. Usually this is a static image, but for our use case we are going to put here the link created by wizard earlier, so we'll just paste it here. Since it says that supported file formats are PNG, JPG, right? So we are going to make a small change here. We'll just say format underscore dot JPG, right? And see, we have a design right here. Now instead of swipe now, we can also say some other CTA like start shopping. We can see that the same gets reflected in the design. Now instead of Rahul, we want to say the name of the person who is getting it. So this is where we can use liquid tags. As you can see, it says liquid tags supported. So we'll just remove Rahul. We'll use curly brackets and it will automatically show this drop down profile. So profile, then you can press dot, then you can see the name, and we'll select the name, and that's it. You can also specify some default here. So let's say instead, if the name is not available, we can always say hey, right? So in the preview it is going to show hey, which is coming from the default, but now when the notification is sent, each of the person who's getting the notification will have his name instead of hey. So it is that simple. So from here on you can continue to schedule your notification.